Gupta and I am an undergraduate student in the Department of Chemical Engineering. Currently in my second year, I am contesting for the newly created post of Student Welfare Secretary. The primary aim of the Student Welfare Secretary will be to look after the welfare of all the students of IIT Gandhinagar. To ensure that the Student Welfare Secretary will overlook and ensure proper functioning of mess committee, hostel maintenance committee, health committee, internet maintenance committee, and the yet to be formed media and public relation committee. This academic year is a particularly crucial one for all of us. This year we undergo the transition from our current campus to our new campus. During time like this, it is essential that we set up and ensure proper running of all facilities, which not only fulfill our basic needs but also ensure comfort for all students. We often give feedback regarding our hostels, internet, the mess and their improvement made on basis of it. But there is a lack of transparency in this process. My vision is to create a student welfare council composed of the various committees which will work together in a transparent way. To do this, I plan to set up an online portal where all the committees will be represented. It will show the status of feedback received, action taken, contact details of the person handling the issues, and ensure that all the students can actively participate in creating a more comfortable living environment for all of them. After consultation with my fellow students, respective council secretary and their respective authorities, I have come to some following points. I will work with mess committee to increase the number of get-together food events, because here in temporary campus we go out for dinner with our friends every week, and in permanent campus the frequency of eating outside will decrease. So it is very important to increase the number of get-together food events to maintain the feeling of eating outside, and this is a very good platform to interact with whole IITian community. And also I will work with mess committee and caterer to provide traditional food on some festival if possible. And I will ensure that the new content for mess caterer will be more effective considering all the suggestions of student community. It will be ensured that caretaker will be responsible to hostel committee or will resolve the issue in a time interval, and if the action is not happening properly, then he have to clarify the reasons, and these reasons should be approved by administration. And these days the health committee is not able to work properly because of less support of authority and doctors. So I will coordinate between administration and committee to work properly and organize health checkup camp in proper time interval, and I will ensure that training of first aid will be provided to members of health committee. And I intend to utilize the experience of the students who have previously studied pharmacy to strengthen the health committee. And my prior experience in working with administration and contractor during various occasions like Amaltya BlizzCon have given me required skills to implement these ideas effectively. And finally, vote for a strong and transparent student welfare council which is for students of IIT Gandhinagar. This is Rajat Kumar Gupta for Student Welfare Secretary. Jai Hind.